Hi, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to fix Spotify Premium Mode app not working. To fix a non-working Spotify mode, you should first understand that Spotify is actively cracking down on mode apps, which can result in service disruption. There are actually three ways to resolve this. Number one, using a VPN for the modded app. Number two, signing up with a new free account within the mode. However, the most reliable long-term fix is to buy an official Spotify Premium subscription, as modded apps are a violation of Spotify terms of services. So guys, that is it on how to fix Spotify Premium Mode app. If this video was helpful, please do not to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.